So,
You down with OPP? Yeah, you know me.
I'm just, I guess, trying a bunch of different things. I guess that's what I'm doing. And so, let's start off with some educational stuff. If you're interested in learning this part. So, I noticed that a lot of, somebody I know, isn't doing very good at, I think it's pre-algebra. So I want to explain it how I would explain it, because obviously it's explained to me in different ways and stuff. So might as well just show what I would say. So let's start out with something a little bit more simple. Oh, I should probably change what I'm using. Okay, there we go. Let's start off with 3 plus x. So x is what's called a variable. I think I misspelled that. I'm not sure. That means that depending on what number you're given for x, the answer will change. Let's start off with x equals 5. So basically that means in that case, 5 is what x represents. So basically you just fill in the blank. 3 plus 5. 5. And that's pretty simple. 5, 6, 7, 8. But it also changes. Like in, let's say, another question, x equals 3. Because it can change in different problems. So 3 plus x, if x equals 3, you just replace x with, you just replace x with 3. 3 plus 3 equals 6. That's the basics. There's also the implement of multiplication. So let's see. 3x basically means 3 times x. Or you can rewrite that as 3 times x. Again, x is the variable. So it changes. Let's say x equals 2. You replace that with the other thing. 3 times 2. What is 3 times 2? 6. Let's say x is 3. You replace it. 3 times 3. What is that? 9. I think 3, 6, 9. Yeah. So that's the basics of multiplication. There's also problems that'll look like this. 3 plus 5x. It's basically using both. So what you do is same thing. X is a variable, so you replace it with whatever number the problem gives you. Let's say it's 3. To replace it, you can rewrite the problem like this with the times thing, and then guess what x represents? 3. So you replace it with 3 and then solve it that way. You do multiplication first. 5, 10, 15. 15, basically 3 plus 15. What is that? 18. Another example, let's say x equals 2. 3 plus 5, and you replace the x with 2. 5 times 2 is 10, plus 3 is 13. And that's the basics of pre-algebra. Bye.